Hey guys, thanks for stopping by and checking out another one of our vehicles here at Red's Auto and Truck. Today I've got a 2013 Subaru Impreza Wrx. This vehicle was just serviced in our shop with all new brakes and rotors on all four corners. Also received a new AC compressor as well as an AC recharge. As always, there's our contact info. This one you can see does have a STI style wing on it. The factory wing is in the trunk. We can show that to you guys later. Make sure you take a look at the Carfax on this vehicle on our website. This vehicle is a rebuilt title. It was involved in a front right collision, I believe 2 or 3 years ago. The vehicle was repaired and inspected by the state of Colorado. Currently has no airbag lights on or anything like that. You are more than welcome to have someone come out and inspect it and make sure it fits for you. Again, the front right was painted. You can actually see here there is a little bit of the clear coat peeling. We will most likely be fixing that, so by the time you come look at this car, it probably will not even be there. Can show you back here the aftermarket wing. We do have the factory wing to cover those holes there. It is in the trunk. Again, we just serviced this vehicle in our shop, so it is mechanically sound and ready to go. Power windows and locks. Jump on inside here. AM/FM CD player. 5-speed manual transmission. Does have cold weather package with heated seats. We have one key and remote for this vehicle. Go ahead and close the door. We'll start this one up for you guys. $59,928 miles. Again, no lights on the dash, just the seat belt light, no airbag lights, no check engine lights, anything like that. Does have the controls on the wheel here. Controls for your phone. Cruise control there. Does have power mirrors and traction and stability control. Come around back here, show you guys that factory wing there. So if you don't like the big wing, you can go to that factory style wing that we have. Pop the hood here for you guys. Mechanically all stock as far as we can tell. Factory intercooler. Factory catalytic converter. We cannot offer our traditional credit union financing on this due to the rebuilt title. Check with your bank or credit union. They may finance rebuilt titles. Or when we've sold these in the past, people have got personal loans. Appreciate you taking the time to look at this. We look forward to speaking with you.